I am back with you with another video, and I know you will enjoy it. This is Chan, the Tech Man. I'm doing a review of the BESTEK, I guess that's how you pronounce it, their tower surge protector. It's a really good surge protector. I bought this with my own money, and I needed a good surge protector that didn't take up a lot of room. The regular surge protectors, they're kind of long, they take up a lot of room, and they're just hard to put anywhere, especially if you have a limited room. And I've been looking at this one for a while, and it had really good reviews, and I was really impressed with the reviews. And so I finally decided to get it. I'm really glad I did. It has a great USB charger. It charges the iPad and iPhone really fast, faster than the previous setup I had. As you can see, the cord is very big, and the plug-in doesn't take a lot of room, and it's a really good setup. And when you plug something in, it stays in there really tight. You got to put it in sometime at an angle into the plug-in, not the USB, but the plug-in, but it stays in there really tight. The previous setup I had, the plug would come out or not stay all the way in, and this stays all the way in. It's tight. Some people don't like that. I personally like that. That's a plus for me, because you can plug in a big plug, like for the big plugs for the iPhone and stuff, and it'll stay plugged in. But you can also, like I said, it has a USB charger, and that works well. I thought that light didn't work on the USB port, because when I plugged my Bluetooth headphone in, and that light didn't come on. But I tried it on the iPad, the light comes on everything else. It just, for some reason, it didn't come on the Bluetooth headphone. I don't know if it was because it wasn't turned on or not, but you can see the lights on there. It works really well. I encourage you to get it if you can. I think you'll like it. Each level has that's the power buttons for each level there, so you can just turn on one level. That's good, but the USBs are automatic. Thank you for tuning in, and subscribe to my channel.